everyone, David here, and today I want to talk about the importance of exercise for your brain function, right? To keep our brain healthy. So it used to be that if you had stress, fight or flight, the chemicals, cortisol, all that stuff that's produced for that, you would either have to fight someone off or an animal off, right? Or you would run and you'd burn all those chemicals up, okay? So the fact is that most people at work are stressing out and they're building those chemicals up in their body with no release. So how do we release that? This is important. We go and we exercise, okay? So that's, kind of a given, but you'll burn off all of those bad chemicals by doing that. That's the outlet. But now, how about for the brain health? Okay, so the hippocampus, which is for putting movements together, that type of stuff, and the cerebellum, which is for actually movement. Those are neurogenerative, as in you can regenerate new cells in those parts of your brain. Okay, and they're really important for movement and all that. And also, people with brain disorders like Alzheimer's have problems in those part of the regions of the brain. So, exercising with aerobic and especially HIIT anaerobic combination exercises produces BDNF, which is a chemical, a neurochemical for the brain. It helps you with movement, emotion, everything, okay? So we need to exercise so we keep our brains healthy, right? And then also regeneration of those cells. And with that said, we also need to sleep at least 7.5 hours, 8 or 9 is better, because it's a fact now that brain diseases are coming from the lack of sleep. We build up a protein that's high in iron and it's high in copper, and that builds up in the brain during the day, every day, and then we sleep and it dissipates, right? And then it builds up and it dissipates. If we don't get enough sleep, it builds up and it doesn't dissipate, and then you end up having problems, okay? So exercising, blowing off all those bad chemicals that you build up from stress with the physical exercise, aerobic, anaerobic cardio for the BDNF chemical, which is good for us, right? It helps produce more of that. And then getting your sleep at least 7.5, 8 or 9 hours is better, okay? So just think about exercise is good for our bodies, keeps us in shape, right? Mobility, all that type of stuff, but it's also really important for your brain, okay? So thanks for watching. Take care.